Yo! Hi guys, Devin here from the Awesome Bros. I am also here with the cameraman Corey. He's also part of the Awesome Bros.
Yeah!
Yeah, you. And for this video, we're gonna be pranking people with the
Air horn.
With the air horn.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Okay, here's the air horn.
This is the blow horn that we are gonna use for a video. This is how it sounds.
Hold on, put it right into the mic.
Do you guys really want to listen to it?
Okay, let's do it. Go. Okay.
Now,
we were just facing the other way. Okay, let's go.
Dude, is it still playing?
Yes.
Guys, what's this? Yo, what are you doing? Yo! No, don't worry. Don't like blur out your face. Okay?
No, just do it now.
Safe, okay, go. Thanks. Hey guys, so we just pranked Zach over here.
PAC!
Yeah! And for this, and now I'm gonna be pranking my brother.
Okay, go. He's right there.
Okay. Pause.
This game is so awesome.
Yo, so, Frank, look here. Look, hold that. Hang on. Oh no! Look, Corey. Callum, look what happened. No, watch, look. I went down. Look over there. Come on, bro. Just look.
Yeah.
You saw the YouTube clip? Do it. He backed up.
That was a nice shot, right?
Yo.
You guys go take a picture from here. And video.
A picture? Okay, yeah, so like, play. So now, this is the game plan.
Excuse me, why are you taking video?
No reason.
Okay, I'm gonna go do this game. Yo, man, this freaking game is like so addicting. This game's like, yo, man, like, why is this game so hard? Yo, thank you. What? He's like, oh shit! Oh no, look now, like, let's just like get the baby over there. Okay, guys, so now Corey is gonna do this kid on the bike, right there.
Devin, I'm gonna come on here, okay?
Okay. And here he goes.
Yeah.
I got you. And the kid's biking. Here he goes. Not much of a reaction from Corey, but doesn't seem like he cared. Not much of a reaction is what I was telling him.
He was like, oh!
No, he didn't. Yo, man, look. So I placed it like right here, and then look, and then it's like I got you both. Okay, guys. So next clip will be me.
Okay, David, truth or dare moment. I dare you to spray the air horn in your mouth.
What? Oh, okay, hang on, chill. Okay, here.
No, just like put your mouth on the nozzle.
The air can.
On the nozzle. I'm never trying that.
Funny.
You want me to do it?
It's disgusting.
Okay, here, take the camera.
Oh my gosh.
Here, take this.
Okay, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to blow it in your ear. Very close to your ear. I dare you.
Oh,
What?
if you get too close,
Okay.
it hurts.
Okay, so like, do it.
Put on.
Fine.
I just did.
Oh, no, okay, fine. You ready, guys? Look, for real.
It tickles.
Oh my god, that hurted. Oh my god. Oh. Okay.
Man, that was a sick one.
So now we are gonna go back to pranking people. So let's go.
Okay. Prank the first guy. I got a person right there.
Who is it? The guy on the bike?
Yes. Yeah, dude, watch. Give me the tape.
Yeah. Yo, give it to him. Yo, hurry. He's leaving. Go. Hurry. Here he goes, guys. He's gonna go prank the kid over there. So here goes Zach to go and prank that kid off guard. Go.
Yeah, PSC.
Okay, go.
Okay, guys. So last time Corey went to go and prank that kid over there. Do you guys like see him running? Yeah, right there in the beige or whatever color it is. He like didn't really get much of a reaction. So now here he goes.
See, I'm doing this thing. Yeah.
He gets it. He gets it done. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Start.
Yo, dude, it's recording. Come on, follow me.
Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna be. Ah, that's sick!
Yeah, good job, man. Good job.
Yo.
Yeah, dude, how did it feel like to be scared? Yeah, PC, do you want me to stop right now?
Look, this is what it is. Want to see it? Hey. Here you go, Mom. Go. Right. So like you right here.
Yeah, you're my man. Yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome. What's your name? Okay, so now Corey is gonna prank someone. And I am basically gonna distract the person. Okay, go. Let's go. You see the dude in
What are you gonna do? Why are you interrupting everybody? Hey!
No, Zack! No! Dude, do you want me to stop it now?
Yeah, PIC, I'm gonna go distract another person.
PIC!
Okay, let's go. I'm not pausing yet. I'm gonna run all the way.
Okay, let's go. Yo, dude, wait up. Yo, man, do you know where St. Margaret Deville is? Oh, thanks.
That was funny.
Come see.
Okay.
Yo,
Yo, this game is so cool.
no, dude. I'm not gonna use this. I promise. Yo, dude. That didn't really work. Okay, guys, so that one wasn't really much of a scare.
Yeah.
We are gonna find someone else. Somebody that is really creepy.
Okay, let's go. Let's go around the neighborhood.
Okay, so
What's good?
yo, dude, look at a scooter again.
I know, right?
Yo, zoom in to him. Zoom into him.
Okay, zoom in.
Look at all your rides. Okay, so now I am gonna prank someone else. So let's be on the lookout.
Yeah.
I just saw one. What, bruh? Beep boop.
This time, we're not gonna be sure that they see it.
I found someone.
We find somebody that is really crazy. And that person is...
So I hid the air horn in my pants, so that way they don't know.
Yeah,
Well,
please see, man. This is
see.
gonna go down.
Deposit. Dude, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Chill. Alright. I got it. Hey guys, so we found somebody in the pool. Record him.
In the pool, but like in the pool area.
Dude, did I just step in shit?
Oh, gross! Ah! That's
Dude,
nasty.
was it
That's
you?
nasty.
No, okay, I'm good. It wasn't me.
Okay, you guys, we got this new show.
Okay, guys.
We got this new show called
Pranksters of the Hood.
Yeah,
Prankers of the Hood.
and this is what this video is. And we like
Release.
and then we just like came up with this name like 8-7 minutes into the video. So we aren't done yet pranking people.
Yeah, but-
so we are still gonna continue pranking.
Yeah, we're gonna start like
We start recording our videos on Monday.
yeah,
Monday.
Monday.
Okay,
we're
So there's a kid in the black over there. He's running, and we're gonna
Okay, let's
get
go.
him.
Oh, this is gonna
So
be
there's a kid in
wicked.
the black over
BSC.
there, and we are gonna. Yeah, man. What's your name, bro?
Yeah. Play. That's fun. No, okay, guys. So the kid, he's like too much of a pussy cat. So we couldn't really. That was fun.
That's really funny.
So we couldn't really get him. So we're gonna try and find something else.
Should we just end the video here?
No.
No.
Wow. Fine. End it at 10 minutes.
On a bike, okay?
Okay, so we found a girl on the bike. Yo. Okay, let's go.
CIA fences in the hood.
Okay, let's go. Go on, McCoy. Oh no, she's going. And she's gone.
Okay, go, Devin.
Leave me, okay?
They want to take a video. Hey, you're taking a video.
That didn't really work. Like, seriously, guys, shush. Guys, that didn't even work. So.
Yo, don't say nothing.
Shut your mouth.
Don't say shit.
Shut your mouth.
Don't say shit.
Quiet down, people. Quiet down. That didn't even
Okay,
work.
let's go.
Hang on, I gotta say. Okay, guys. So the other ones are failed. So I need to do one more person.
Yeah,
really? So I need to do one more person, and then Chloe will take it from there.
Go, Devin, go.
Don't do it.
Yo, what up, bro?
His hand's gonna hurt.
Dude, he's a baby. How will it hurt?
What?
High five. Yeah, man. Yeah. So this kid, apparently we can't prank him. Oh, yo, okay. Here's someone. Pause.
Hold on. Victim.
Yo, Zach.
Go.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to warn him. He got scared.
Why the heck is like every...
Stop ruining it. You're ruining everything.
Play. We found someone.
Okay, go. I'm playing right now. Here, take this.
See that?
Take this.
Here, take it. Fine.
Some girl was telling us to delete it. Oh my gosh, she's over there. Yo.
Run.
She's coming.
Oh my god. Okay, so some girl got mad at us. Like that. Okay, so like some girl got mad at us for doing it. And the guy that she freaking chased us down. And then we all ran. So now it's Corey's turn to get someone.
13.
Okay, so like, guys, Corey is about to be the lucky ending. Here we go.